Hi, back again with another First Impressions video. So today we're checking out Martha Mier's What's That Noise from the Prep A RCM books, RCM piano repertoire book. Martha is a composer down in the States. She has done some wonderful student pieces as well as arrangements, pop arrangements, and pretty popular, I'd say, with the students, at least the ones who've explored them. So now, what's that noise? I'm curious about this. So I'm actually just going to jump in. We'll do the sight reading, and then I'll share some of my impressions. Okay, so mysteriously interesting. Okay, so we're here. We've got that's interesting. And then up an octave. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, 1, 2. This is very Slavic. Redemption arc. This should have been down here. Oops. Okay. Okay, so let me just run through the last 2 lines. I'm going to pop those up there so you can see. So yeah, I totally gapped on that. I'm just going to do the last 2 lines so you can hear that. So, oh. That's going to be, yeah, basso. It has to be basso. I just had to take a look at rock climbing there for a sec. Okay, so that should, it would be much nicer if they said ottava basso. Okay, so it should have been, and then, there. So that's what it should have been, and then at the end, it has some Slavic tones to it. In the, but not so much there. That's kind of bluesy. But when you get to the second line, that just has me thinking of Tetris. That's cool. And this part too. In the middle, the B section. Interesting piece. What's that noise? It really makes me think of someone sneaking up on someone. Or, you know, someone sitting there in the dark and they're trying to relax. Or no. Someone is in a haunted house or an abandoned building. That's what it is. And something skitters in front of them. That totally could be it. This will be a lot of fun for students to make up some stories too. And every articulation change, every dynamic change can be something. It could be a mouse crawling or scurrying across, something falling, like a bird sneaking up, like all sorts of things. It could be quite a fun piece. Articulation is definitely going to be a bit of a challenge for students. Speed, not so much. I think just that shift between the A section to the B section, yeah, because we're going from like super jumpy to like a little bit more lyrical. And then just getting used to going ottavo, basso. But I think this is going to be a fun piece. I think the kids are going to enjoy it, or I should say students, because I might have some adult students, or there might be adult students out there who are going to learn this piece. Now, if you've explored this piece already, either as a student or as a teacher, drop a comment down below and share some of your thoughts, what you did like about it, what you found was the most challenging part about it. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more, hit the like button, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. It really does help the channel grow. That's it until next time, so take care and catch you in the next video. Bye!